everyone, it's Miss Precious from One Fancy Teacher Learning Hub. So this week, we're going to be learning the sound of this letter. This is the uppercase letter, and here we have the lowercase letter. Guess what? They both make the same sound. Can you do that with me? Good job! So you can find this sound in words like house, hoe, hat, hand, and I know you guessed right. Good job! So next, we're going to be looking at more words that have the sound at the beginning. Hop, hop, hand, hand, home, home, huff, huff, and heel, heel. Good. So next I'm going to read a short story. All I want you to do is pay attention and let's find where this letter is hiding. The title of my story is A Day at the Park. It was a great time for Hannah and Harold. Some children are in a sack hopping race, while others are getting ready to go for a horse race. I am going to join the horse race, said Harold. I'm hot and the sun is blazing, Hannah said. By the time we are done, everyone will be huffing and puffing, saying, good job! Now, can you find the letter in the words we read today? Yes, I know you can. So, the word is found here in the word Hannah, Harold, hopping, horse. Here we have horse again. Harold, hot, Hannah, and in the word hopping. Good job! So now we're going to learn how to write this letter. It's not hard, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So all you have to say when writing this letter is 2 straight lines and a dash in the middle. 2 straight lines and a dash in the middle. So you say the first straight line, the second straight line, and a dash in the middle. So for the last time, 2 straight lines and a dash in the middle. And for the lowercase letter, it's a straight line. Take it up and make a right curve down. A straight line, take it up halfway and a right curve down. A straight line, take it up halfway and a right curve down. I hope you enjoyed my class today. Until see you again next week. Bye-bye.